on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making sweet and spicy honey garlic meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need for our meatballs are 1 pound of ground beef, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. For our sauce, we're going to need 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. For garnish at the end, I have chopped scallions. I'm only using the green part and that's optional. And also for our cornstarch slurry, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, first you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. Next to our ground beef, we're going to add in our breadcrumbs. You're also going to add in your parsley flakes, your egg, garlic powder, black pepper, and also salt. So you just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to begin to make 1-inch meatballs, and you want to place them onto your baking sheet. Now we're going to place our meatballs into our 400 degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes until they're cooked all the way through. After 20 minutes, your meatballs should be done. As you can see, I cut one and it's done. So now we're going to make the sauce. Next to our heated saucepan, we're going to add in our ketchup. Our soy sauce. Honey. Our minced garlic. And also our crushed red pepper flakes. We're just going to go ahead and whisk everything together until it's well combined. Put your heat to be on medium-low. And we're just going to let that simmer for a couple minutes. Next, we're going to make our cornstarch slurry. We're going to add our cornstarch into our water. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, now we're going to add in our cornstarch slurry. You want to let that simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until your sauce has thickened up. Once your sauce is thick, we're going to begin to add our meatballs. You can turn your heat off. Once you have your meatballs in the sauce, all you want to do is go ahead and roll them around in it and coat each side. Once all your meatballs are coated, you can go ahead and turn off your heat and you can plate them. Okay guys, once you've plated them, Remember I said the scallions are optional. But you can go ahead, just for a pop of color, sprinkle some over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our sweet and spicy honey garlic meatballs. These are great over white rice, noodles, or as an appetizer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?